Begin with a blank page and switch the background to a soft beige or cream tone. After that, go to Elements and start placing your frames. Arrange the frames in a way that feels right to you. You can always fine-tune the layout later, so don't worry about perfection at this stage. I already had a rough idea of how I wanted it to look. Then go to Headings and type Mood and Board in separate text boxes so you can choose different fonts for each. Once you're happy with the fonts, start adding your images into the frames and adjust them based on your preference. While adding your images, try sticking to a similar color palette or vibe so everything flows nicely. Small adjustments like zooming or shifting the image can make a big difference. Trust your eye and tweak things until everything flows naturally together. Then go to Elements and search for Shapes. Choose one with soft, curved edges to keep the design aesthetically pleasing. Once you're happy with the size, copy and paste it 3 more times and change the colors to match your mood board. Then select only the images, go to Stroke, and add a border to give them a cleaner, more finished look. I chose a black border because it adds contrast and helps each image stand out without overpowering the mood board. Then go back to Elements and start adding a few aesthetic graphics. This helps add more character and depth to your mood board, making it feel more intentional rather than flat. Play around with the placement and move the graphics around until the overall composition feels balanced and visually pleasing. Tip: try not to overcrowd the design. Using just a few well-placed graphics usually works better than adding too many. Subscribe for more.